Hey guys, it's Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993. We're out on a re-clean. Re-clean being that these were our customers last year, and they took our advice by doing the yearly maintenance. So we're gonna go ahead and clean them out. So this dryer vent was cleaned last year. So I cleaned it myself, so this is 1 year of a buildup. So let's see what happens. So as you can see right now, if you've seen a lot of my dryer vent cleanings, you would know this first 4 feet, we get a whole bunch. And you'll notice we're not getting a whole lot of fluff out. Very little bit. I mean, we do have some fluff, but very, very small amount. That's what this no pest vent cover does. It really helps prevent the amount of fluff. Again, this is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993, locally owned, veteran operated business. Cover a 50-mile radius. Oh, there we go. There's a good breakthrough right there. Now that's right there at the elbow where it drops down. So you're expected to have some fluff build up in the elbows. So that is very much expected. And then now we can hear the dryer. This is 1 year. So notice that the lint buildup was after the elbow. So basically, it's getting caught in the elbow when it comes out this way. And now I can tell just by the noise that we are definitely behind. There we go. We are clear. So this is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993. Gonna scrub that elbow just a little bit more. And there we go. Remember, we do offer veterans and senior citizen discounts. So, do you know what's inside your vent?